In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a reminder on Google Calendar. If you've recently updated your apps, you might notice that the process is slightly different. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar, which can be easily accessed from your desktop or your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where your calendar is set up. Once you have your calendar open, you'll then need to find the specific reminder, now called a task, that you want to remove. Remember, it's good to double check and ensure you're looking at the right day and time to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong task. On the updated Google Calendar app, reminders have transitioned to what are now called Google Tasks. This slight change can cause a bit of confusion, but the functionality remains similar. So once you've identified the task you wish to delete, the next step involves opening this task to reveal more options. You'll be able to do this by simply clicking on the task itself, which will bring up a small pop-up window or pane with details about the task. Here you'll find additional options, including the coveted delete feature. This brings us seamlessly to the final part, removing the task. To delete it, look for the small trash can icon. It's usually located near the bottom of this pop-up window. Clicking on this icon will prompt a confirmation step. This is there to prevent accidental deletion, so when you're sure that this is the task you want to remove, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once it's confirmed, the task will be deleted from your calendar, and there you have it. The task has been successfully removed from your schedule. It's a simple process, but given the updates, the navigation might seem a touch unfamiliar if you haven't been using the latest version. If you find that you're managing a lot of tasks regularly, a little time spent familiarizing yourself with the updated interface can go a long way to keep things running smoothly. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating your updated Google Calendar app. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Happy calendaring!